Do you know that your hair is a luxury to your body and not a priority? Well, if your hair is shedding more than usual, breaking easily, or just not growing like it used to, it might not be your products and it might not be your routine. The real problem could be inside your body because your hair is one of the first places your body shows signs of nutrient deficiency. And today, I will show you the 5 most common ones silently causing your hair loss. And so, you have to watch this video up to the end if you are on a hair growth journey. And so, let's dive straight in. And the first deficiency is the iron deficiency. Your hair follicle is one of the most active cells in your body. That means it needs a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients. So, when iron helps your body carry oxygen using something called hemoglobin. I know you have heard about hemoglobin. So, when iron deficiency is low in your body, it means there is less oxygen reaching your scalp, your hair follicles become weak and shrink, then hair shifts from growing pace to shedding pace early. So, this condition is often linked to chronic shedding known as telogen effluvium. I hope I've pronounced it correctly. I'm going to put it here. Yeah, telogen effluvium. So, your body is very smart. Very smart. When iron is low, it sends oxygen to the vital organs like your heart, your brain, and not your hair because, as I told you, your hair is like a luxury to your body. So, what are some of the signs that people ignore? Like, what are some of the signs of this iron deficiency? So, your hair is shedding, literally shedding. When you are washing your hair is shedding. When you are combing your hair is shedding. And then your hair starts looking, dull and lifeless. And then your edges, they start becoming thinner. Those are some of the signs. Okay, let's go to deficiency number 2. And deficiency number 2 is vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a key role in creating new hair follicles. Remember, the hair grows in cycles. We have the anagen, the catagen, and the telogen. So, when vitamin D is low in your body, it means more follicles stay stuck in the resting phase, that is the telogen phase, then fewer hairs are actively growing, and then hair becomes thinner over time. Okay, so what are some of the signs of vitamin D deficiency? 1, thinning in the crown. This is the crown. Then we have slow regrowth after shedding, and also, like, if you have a vitamin D deficiency in your body, there is low energy or frequent fatigue. Okay, let's go to deficiency number 3, and deficiency number 3 is biotin. Okay, your hair is made of a protein called keratin, and biotin helps your body produce that keratin effectively. Do you get that? So, when biotin is low, it means the structure of your hair is weak. That is, the structure of your hair weakens. The cuticle, that is the outer layer of your hair, becomes fragile. Then hair snaps easily under tension. Like those are some of the signs of low biotin deficiency. So this is breakage, not shedding. Okay, so many people confuse these two, breakage and shedding. I hope now you get the difference. And so now this leads to shedding, that is hair falls from the roots, and then it will also lead to breakage, that is hair snaps along the strand. So what are some of the signs of biotin deficiency in your body? One, thin and uneven ends. These are the ends of your hair. Thin and uneven ends. Hair won't stay full. Like if your hair was fuller, right now your hair is not full. Then also nails. Nails are soft or they are peeling. Those are some of the signs of biotin deficiency in your body. Okay, let's go to deficiency number 4. Yeah. Deficiency number 4 is zinc deficiency. So, zinc is involved in cell repair, tissue regrowth, and hormone regulation. So, your hair follicles depend on rapid cell turnover. Okay? So, without zinc, that process slows down. You see? Meaning, damaged follicles don't repair properly. Okay? Hair becomes weak at the roots, then shedding increases. You get the point? So, okay, zinc also helps to regulate hormones. Before I forget that, zinc also helps to regulate hormones like the DHT, like the DHT, a hormone that is linked to hair loss. So if you don't have zinc, remember there's a lot of shedding, and so shedding automatically hair loss. So when zinc is low in your body, your hormones, they become imbalanced, then hair loss can increase, especially around your edges and your crown. Okay. Ooh, what was that? Hey, I think I just pulled my hair. Now that one is breakage. That one is hair breakage. Okay. I think I should cut my nail. I've just lost my hair. Anyway, let's continue to deficiency number 5. Yes, and deficiency number 5 is protein deficiency. So, this is the most fundamental one. What do I mean? Hair is equals to keratin. Keratin is equals to protein. So, if you are not eating enough proteins, your body goes into survival mode, and it diverts proteins to the most essential functions of your body. So hair growth slows or completely stops. And so, due to the protein deficiency, you will realize that the shedding increases because your body cannot maintain the existing strands. And so, you may notice sudden heavy shedding, thinning hair losing volume, stuff like that. So, it means you are having protein deficiency. So having mentioned those 5 deficiencies, like those are the key ones. We have so many of them, but I have mentioned those 5. I have said iron, iron deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, zinc deficiency, protein deficiency, and biotin deficiency. So, that's all for today. If you love simple educational content about hair growth, then this is the right channel for you. Please, if you have enjoyed what I have shared, if you have learned something new today, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. And let me see you again in my next video. All the best in your hair growth journey. Bye.